Do hypermobile joints crack a lot? The answer is yes, but the cracking doesn't have to necessarily be a bad thing. There are gases in the synovial fluid, that's the fluid within your joints, that when they get released, they create that cavitation and that cracking sound. When the cracking or popping is associated or followed with pain, that is definitely more like the direction of subluxation, perhaps even dislocation. So do they crack a lot? Yes, they do. Not every cracking comes with pain though. Hope this answered your question.